Good morning, my dear students. Today we have a very important chemistry questions for the standard of class 11 and class 12 students. Here the question: suppose the elements X and Y are combined to form two compounds XY2 and X3Y2. When 0.1 mole of XY2 weighs 10 gram and 0.05 moles of X3Y2 weighs 9 gram. The atomic mass of the X and Y are, the options are given here. The atomic mass of X and Y are 40, 30. In option number 2, 60, 40. Option number 3, 20, 30. Option number 4, 30 and 20 respectively. As we know, there are various approaches to calculate the atomic mass of the atoms. The approaches are related to basic knowledge of chemistry. As we know, today's questions to find the atomic mass of an atom based on chemistry concepts and chemistry logics. Here the answer. The answers here. Let A be the atomic mass of X and B be the atomic mass of Y. Here the compound XY2 and X3Y2. How do we calculate the molar mass or molecular mass? So since we already take the A be the atomic mass of the A, B be the atomic mass of the Y. So we do calculation the molar mass is the sum of the atomic masses. Now here the atomic mass of the X is here A plus atomic mass of the Y is the B multiplied by the number of the Y atoms. Now similarly in the case of the X3Y2, the atomic mass is the A multiplied by 3 plus atomic mass of the Y is the B multiplied by the 2. This is the way how we do calculation, the molar mass. From the given data, what the data is given here? For XY2, number of the moles given here 0.1 mole. The weight of XY2 is given here 10 gram. Now similarly for X3Y2, the number of the moles given here 0.05 moles and the weight of X3Y2 is 9 gram. See, to calculate the molecular mass of XY2 and the X3Y2, we have the simple formula. See, look at here. The molecular mass of the XY2, weight of the XY2 is given. That is the 10 gram and number of the moles, what is given here 0.1 mole multiplied by the 1 mole. So that is the value what we can find here 100 grams per mole. So this 100 grams per mole is same as the molecular mass of XY2. So what is the molecular mass of XY2? Yes, 100 grams per mole. Similarly, the molecular mass of the X3Y2, how do we calculate? See, you know the 9 gram is the weight of the X3Y2 and the number of the mole is 0.05 mole multiplied by 1 mole. What the values comes out 180 grams mole. So what is the molecular mass of the X3Y2? That is 180 grams per mole. Now we know what we have. The molecular mass of the XY2, what we found that the formula is here A plus 2B is equal to molecular mass, what we found here, that is 100. That means A plus 2B is equal to 100. That is for the molecular mass of the XY2. And for the X3Y2, what is the molecular mass of the X3Y2? That is 3A plus 2B is equal to molecular mass, what we found here, 180. See, comparing this equation 1 and 2, remember one of the factor it should be common because it can be cancelled, the another one we can calculate as you know mathematically. See here, since we have the two common factor, that is 2b, here also 2b, we no need to multiply any integer. So by comparing these two, we can find out the value of A. How we do the calculation? Subtracting the equation 1 from the equation 2, what we can get. See, look at 3A plus 2B is equal to 180. A plus 2B is equal to 100. So we do the subtraction, we multiply here minus. What will be the answer here? This 2B can be cancelled. 3A minus A is equal to 2A, and 180 minus 100 is equal to 80. So it's fine. Now from this calculation, what we can calculate here, 2A is equal to 80. So A is equal to 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40. So this is the atomic mass of the X. So what is the atomic mass of the X we found here? 40. So if you know the answer, we can find out what is the atomic mass of the B. So this value of the A we can put either in the equation 1 or equation 2. We can put any one of this equation. So in our convenience, we put this value of A in equation 1. How do we calculate? So the value of A here is the 40 plus 2B is equal to 100. Now this 40 I bring here, that is 100 minus 40. So 2B is equal to 100 minus 40. Now we are going to find out. So what is 100 minus 40? That is 60. Now we are going to find out the value of B. What is the value of B? That is 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30. This is the atomic mass of the A. Why? Now the answer of the given option is 1. What is the option number 1? Here is 40 is the atomic mass of the X and 30 is the atomic mass of the Y. Please remember, this is the type of the MCQ question. So MCQ question in your competitive examination is very important, is the time management. So when you do find this answer take a longer time, so your time management is something wrong with you. So you please remember for the time management. See, when you do the calculation here, up to this, if you found the value of the A, here is the 40, here is the 40. Obviously the value of the atomic mass of the Y should be 30 because none of these options are 40. So you please remember, so this is the question based on the concept and the logic of the chemistry. There is no much chemistry what we have in our knowledge. Thank you. You keep and remember this. Okay.